Okay, today we're making cinnamon rolls using Immaculate organic pre-made cinnamon rolls. And the idea was, somebody asked me, can you make these in a cast iron skillet, or do they stick and get gooey and really mess up your seasoning? So I wanted to give it a try. Nice cold weather out there, nothing better in the morning than having some cinnamon rolls. And this only takes a few minutes. So you preheat your oven, you get your cast iron skillet out, put a little bit of avocado oil or your favorite cooking oil in it, take a paper towel, wipe it around nice and evenly. And then you're going to take your pre-made rolls, and they're pretty simple. If you've never done it before, you essentially unroll the outside of them. Some of them have multiple layers, like this one, the Immaculate series, actually has some recipes and other add-ins to it and story on it. And then there's a roll cover. Oh,
Belkin Vanderspuds, and this is Cast Iron Cooking, where we explore all kinds of recipes and ways to protect your cast iron pans. So join me in this next video as we explore more interesting cooking with Cast Iron Cooking.
So welcome back. There's a roll cover. It's just kind of a sealer on the outside of the container. You just peel it off. It's a paper wrapper, and you'll see this line it shows you to open it at, and you just put a little pressure to it, and it will, at the seam, and it will open up the roll for you, exposing not only the cinnamon rolls themselves, but also the container of frosting. That's the container of frosting right there. Just take it and set it aside. You take your individually sliced pieces of cinnamon rolls and you place them around inside of your cast iron skillet. And they're a little gooey, they're going to be a little messy, but nothing that won't wipe off. So you take them one at a time and just place them down into the cast iron skillet on the area that you've put oil on, your cooking oil. And once they're in there, you spread them, you divide them around evenly. You can either touch the sides or keep them away from each other. And now you take your, well, you clean up your mess, of course. And then you take your cast iron skillet with your cinnamon rolls and you put them into the preheated oven. I just put them on the middle rack. Make sure you wear that glove. Set at 350 degrees. And what you're going to do next is set the timer and let the timer count down. So we're going to go for 20 minutes and fast forward through this a little bit so that you don't have to sit and watch a timer count down. Once the buzzer goes off, then it's fairly simple. You just, one other thing, I'm taking a small cast iron pan, I'm putting the icing into it, the icing pack into it, and putting it under the vent for the stove to heat it up a little bit so it won't be cold. Once the timer goes off, back up with your glove and pull out the cinnamon rolls. You coat them with the icing, you put them in a plate, and they are going to be ready to serve. Delicious.
Well, look at you. You made it all the way to the end of this video. And I really want to thank you. I appreciate you for sticking around and watching the content, because you being here really matters. Without you, my doing this is pointless. You are my sunshine, and I hope to see you again. Again, my name is Belkin Vanderspuds, and I've been your host here at Cast Iron Cooking. I hope you come back and watch some more videos. And if you'd like to give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Cheers.